LA, Joaquin.
I love America!
Or, as his friends call him, Yuka.
Yuka, where are you from, bud?
I'm from Egypt.
You're from Egypt. When did you move to America?
3 years ago. I can't stop saying I love America. I can't stop love American music. I love soft music. I love
Like love songs?
yes. Makes me feel like better. Makes me feel happy.
Yep.
I love the Bee Gees. I want to sing Mr. Bee Gees. His group, he makes me feel like I fly in the sky. That's why Mr. The Bee Gees makes me feel so special for me. And I like him so much. Actually, I love American girls. I have my friend, she's very pretty, and she told me, Yuka, you are sexy face. I say, all right, thank you very much.
You love women?
Oh, yeah, I love women.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
You have kids?
I'm not married.
Why, just because you're not married, you can't have kids?
Yeah.
Welcome to the new city, baby, because that's all that's going on over here.
I save myself to when I get the good girl, and I want to love a girl from the hair to the nipple, and yeah, I want to give her all my life for her.
Okay, Yuka.
Okay, your name is
Ale.
Ali.
Yeah, no, Ale.
Ali.
Yes, that's good.
Ayala.
Yes.
Ayala.
Yes.
Ayala.
My
Ali.
nickname Yuka. I like to call me Yuka. It's good.
Yuka.
Because everybody in Hoboken, he knows me.
Ali.
Yuka.
Ayala.
Ale, you come.
Yeah. No,
Ali.
my nickname
Ali.
Yuka.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. But
You
say-
okay?
Okay.
No,
Okay,
Ali.
come on.
All right, Yuka. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, and you like Paula, it says here.
Yeah, because
I like
she's a good singer. She's had a pretty like voice. I like her because she dances good. And yes.
Right.
You'd like to
Would you
dance
like
with her?
her to be your woman?
You would like her to dance with you?
I wish.
He's terrible.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, what are you going to sing?
I want to sing for Mr. The Bee Gees. How deep is your love?
Lovely.
I know you're right in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. When the moment lets you wander far, probably I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me and the summer breeze keep me warm in your love and softly. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep
Thank
is
you.
Okay.
Well, I'm going to throw this one to Paula.
I'm very impressed with how you phonetically learned the songs. That's very good.
What else?
That's okay.
And I appreciate the work that you put into it.
Yeah. And what did you think
And
of his performance?
I think that I appreciate you so much.
Thank you very
He
much.
knows
and your
that.
hard work.
He knows that as well.
Yeah.
But I do not think this is the competition.
Why?
It's okay.
Why?
Because it's, well,
Lee, man. I definitely got to say no, man. Singing's not your thing, though.
It's okay. That's good.
Well, we like you, though.
Thank you very much.
Paula, is who he opened his heart up to, yes or no?
I think that you should keep singing for your enjoyment.
Yeah, just for your own self, man.
Okay,
Yeah.
Ali, nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Ale.
much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ale, keep it real out there, man. Keep it real.
Thank you so
So,
much.
Yuka's search for the perfect girl continues.
No, I didn't make it. It's okay.
You just shattered his dream.
Dream shatterer.
You're such a moronic jerk.
But he leaves the auditions with a smile on his sexy face.